Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss what mathematical function in Microsoft SQL Server. So about the mathematical function, so it is used to perform mathematical calculation. So this all are examples that I already written to save some times. So this all are important mathematical functions that we can use in SQL Server. So let's see the first is ABS. So it returns the absolute positive value of the specified numeric expression. So this is the example add here. So add here I enter the values positive and negative inside ABS function. So add here -8 and here +9. So let's execute and check what output I am getting. So say add here I am getting the output 899. So when I enter add a minus value, so it convert into positive value. So this is the use of ABS function. So it returns the absolute positive value of a specified numeric expression. So when you enter add here, let's enter 7.9. Now execute that. So it's returned 7.9. So minus convert into positive. Now here after the next function is degree. So it returns corresponding angle in degree for angle specified in radian. So you already know at here. So pi value is 180. So select degree. So whatever in single cut, so that or display into the output screen. So this is the string. So this will concatenate. So degree. So by default this is the degree. So degree it returned and here or built-in function degree expression return. So it returns some numeric value. So by using convert and varchar, so it convert into varchar. After that, you that concatenate. So if you divide by add here or 2, so see add here it's displaying 90 because the value is 180 by 2, so it's 90. So if you give add here 180 by 3, so this will display 60. So this is about degree add here. Now the next part is rand. So return a pseudo random or float value from 0 to 1. So let's execute this one. So see at here it's displaying a float value from 0 to 1. So see at here 0.43, the rand value is this one, and here 5 this is, and here 9. Now here after the next is round. So it returns numeric value rounded to a specified length of expression. So if you execute this one, so at here the precision is 2, so that it's displaying 7 8, and here in place of this one, so it's added. Now here it's come 7 8 9. So the same thing with this one. So add here this precision only 2. So in place of this one, so this convert into 1, so 1 added. Now here it's displaying 5 6 8. Now if you give at your precision 3, so let's give the precision 3. Now execute the query. So see at here 788 and here, so it, so this is the 3 precision I have given, so this is now converted into 0, and here this 3 at here 5 6 8. So this is 3. So since I have given at here 5, so if you give at here 5, so it will gonna add it. So this will go to the increasing value. So here ascending values. Now let's execute and check. So see at here 7 8 9. It's a display. Now if you give at here some values like 4, and here if you give at here 3. So this will go to the back. Back means reverse wise. Okay, so that here it's displaying 788 and here 999 0. The same thing with this one also. So this is the round. So if you the 4 is near to 0, okay, and if you give at here 5, so 5, this is not near, not near to 0 at here. Like this one, I'm trying to say that. So if you give at here 5, and here this is 0. Now here this is the 10. So 5 is not near to 10, not near to 0. So it's the middle. Now if you give at here 4. So 4 is near to 0, so that if you execute, this one, if you give out here 4, the value will display 9990. Now if you give out here 6, so 6 is near to 10. Okay, so if you give out here 6, so 6 is near to 10, so this is gonna add it. Now execute that. So see out here 5, 6, 7. So it's a, sorry, not in here. This is the precision. Now here I'm going to give 6. So this is the precision part. Now let's execute that. So see out here, it's a 5, 6, 8. It's a displaying, and this is now near to 10. So this is gonna convert into 1000. So if you give at here 5, 6, 7 point 1000, the value will display 5, 6, 8. So this is about to round. Now hereafter floor. So return largest integer less than equal to a specified numeric expression. So this is the numeric expression. Now here let's execute. So 8 to 3. So this is the largest numeric expression is 8 to 3 point. So 8 to 3, and hereafter minus 9 to 3. So the largest numeric expression is minus 9 to 3. Now here give 9 to 3. So if you give at here 66. So let's see what happens. So it's displaying the same values. Now if you give at here minus 9.5. So it's still displaying minus 925 here. So the use of floor function, so return largest integer less than or equal to a specified numeric expression. So this is the things. Now here after sign, so return the positive, +1, 0, negative sign of a specified expression. So if you give at here minus 90, so this will return only 1, -1, 0 values. So if there is any value like negative, so this will -1, 0, and here 30. So it's a positive that return 1. Now if you give at here 15, okay, so this will return only -1. So if there find any minus sign at here, so it return -1, 0, and if there is no any minus sign, so this will return 1. Now here after the next function is sine. So you already studied about the sine theta, cos theta, or tan theta in 10 to standard. So the same thing you can apply it Microsoft SQL Server. So this is written trigonometric sine of a specified angle in radian and in approximately numeric float expression. So at here select to sine 45. So this will return the sine 45 values at here. So I think sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So root 2 value is 1.41. So 1 by 1.41. So this kind of value you get, and sine 0, 0. Now here after let's give at here sine 180 degree. So let's see what happens. So this is the value I'm getting for sine 180 degree. Now here after sort SQRT. So this will return the square root of a specified float value. So select square root. So the square root of 1. So here that display 1. Now here square root of 4. So this will display 2. And here square root of 16. So the value generally is square root of 16 minus plus 4. So this will return only positive 4. So let's execute here. So see at here square root of 10. It's a displaying 3, 4, 2, and here 16, 4. Now the next is select. This function returns smallest integer greater than or equal to numeric. So if you give execute this one, so add here a smallest. So this function return a smallest integer greater than a smallest integer 8 to 3 greater than or equal to. So 8 to 3, so greater than value is 8 to 5, 8 to 4. Here minus 7 to 3, the greater than value here minus 7 to 3. So 1, no any changes, and here 9, 1. So this value is now 9, 1, 2, 3. So the value this smallest value greater value is 1, 9, 1, 2, 4. Now the next is pi. So pi value is the one constant. So you can use this pi in when you are writing the program quadratic equation. There you can use. So it return at a 3.14 the values. So this is the one 3.14. So this is the pi value. So it's a constant. So this I already make one program there. I discussed how to use pi function. So by using pi function, you can easily evaluate the quadratic equation example. Now next is a square. So 1 square 1, 10 square 100, 4 square 6, 16, like that. You can display here by using return square specified float values. Now the next is power. So return the value of a specified expression specified power. So to select power 2, 3. So this will return 2 power 3, that is 8. 2 power 4 power 4, that is 16. Sorry, 4 into 4 16, 16 into 4 56, 56 into sorry, 4 into 4 16, 16 into 4 64, 64 into 4 256. The value displayed at here by using power function. So these are important and generally used to mathematical function in SQL Server. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.